Hi, I'm Jason. In this video, I will show you 3 steps to do marketing better. Step 1. Focus on solution, not on products. Customer don't buy what your product does. They buy how it makes their lives better. They don't care about feature or specs. They care about how your product solve a problem or fulfill their needs. Let's take a look at an example. Apple, for example, they sell iPhone. They sell it's not with the advanced technology. They sell simplicity, connection, and status. So people buy the iPhone because of how it makes them feel, not because of its megapixel or processing speed. So step 1, focus on your solution, not products. People don't buy product, they buy solutions. So think about your product or service and ask yourself, what problem am I solving? How does this make my customer life easier or better? Then make that the focus on your messaging. That's step 1. Now we move to step 2. The way you say it matter. Even if you have the best product in the world, if you don't communicate it effectively, people won't connect with it. The way you frame your message, your tone, your language, and even the words you choose can completely change how it's perceived. So, here for step 2, what to do? Test your message, try different tone, words, and framing to see what resonates most with your audience. And always ask yourself, am I speaking to their emotion, not just their logic? This is step 2. So step 1, people don't buy your product, they buy solution. And then step 2, we have to find a way to communicate that solution, to frame it as a solution for our customer. That is step 2. And step 3, simplify everything. Customer value ease and convenience. If the process of buying is complicated, they lose interest. Even if they like your solution, the way you communicate, step 1, step 2, but when they buy it, it's too complicated, and then it's big problem. One of the cool example is Amazon one-click purchase. If you ever buy a product in Amazon, it's very simple. One click, simple, fast, remove all the friction from buying. That simplicity is a big reason why people keep coming back. For if you recall your experience, you see people do step 1, they sell solution, okay, they communicate well, but when you buy it and when you click the website to buy it, it's too complicated, it's too slow, and then you don't want it. So for step 3, look at your customer journey, the step they take. Let's say they see your video, they listen to your solution, how you communicate well, and then how they buy your product. What are the bottlenecks? Are these steps can eliminate or simplify? Whether it's your website, checkout process, or email sign up, make it easy as possible for customers to say yes. That is 3 steps. Step 1, focus on solution. People, they don't care about your product. They care about themselves. They care about their needs. They care about your solution, how it make their life better. So forget a specification, complicated thing. frame your product as a solution, solve problem, of help the customer to make their life better, and then frame the message. Focus on the way you say it. Try. This is not the one-time formula, huh? We have to try different way, turn words and framing to see which way we can communicate the solution better. And then step 3, remove anything that make the process of buying complicated. Make it frictionless. Okay, easy to buy, just like Amazon. One click and buy. So the step 3. And then, in conclusion, if these 3 steps make sense with you or you disagree, leave a comment. If this makes sense to you, you can grab my book, The Hidden Edge in Marketing. This book is on Amazon to get the full toolkit. Thank you for watching. See you on my next video. Thank you.